a couple times, and I thought I'd make a quick video to answer. And so the question goes like this. People want to have a calendar, and they want to be able to put things that are in their Notion like universe on the calendar without having everything live actually in the calendar. So it should live where it lives, but an ability to put it on the calendar. So the solve for this is actually quite simple. So I'm going to go ahead, I just created a page for, that I'm calling calendar, and I'm going to use the calendar database. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mention, something here in order to put it on the calendar. So for instance, let's say on Monday, I want to make sure that, I study something from my herbal studies. So I'm going to mention, and let's see, there should be a chamomile here somewhere. So here's the page chamomile. And I have this date as as February 15th. And I can even say a range. So maybe I want to say that I'm going to study this all week. So I'll go ahead and put that ending time. And that's it. I mean, any other properties you want in your calendar, you can put there. This is just the basic that comes out of the box, date and tags. But you see, it's very simple and straightforward. I can now see on my calendar that I have this entry for chamomile. And what's great here is that when I open it up, if I want to get to the table where the chamomile lives, I could just click on the title and it takes me there. So all those properties that I have, here in this table, which happens to be, I guess, in my task stream, I can have all these properties without having those properties, corrupting my calendar. I can even put, multiple things here. So if I mention 2 pages, let's find a page that's like maybe in here. I've got these pins. So here, all natural, this eyeshadow one. So let's add that. So let's say I'm using the chamomile and the eyeshadow. So I can even put like 2 entries in the title. I mean, I'm not sure that, it gets crowded after a while, so I'm probably not going to do that, but just to give this example. So then again, now on my calendar, I can see both those things as the title on the calendar of what I'm doing, and I can click through and get to the table that is all about, or in this case, it's a table, it could be a page, that's all about, that particular content. So, just a quick video to answer that question. I hope this helps everyone. And, here I'm 2 videos in one day. That's not unusual for me. Anyway, you take care, and I will see you next time. Bye.